Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deandra Vaughn if you are new here, and if you're not new here, then welcome back to the click. So it has been a while since I came and just gave you guys a life update. There are so many amazing things going on in my life right now, and I haven't really come on here to just talk to you guys about all of it. So that's what we're going to be doing in this video. So to start out, I want to let you guys know that I have created my own NCE study guide. So this comprehensive study guide includes over 200 fill-in-the-blank questions and answers. And all the questions cover all 8 of the content areas that are covered on the NCE exam. And because I made it fully hyperlinked with colorful tabs, all you have to do is just click on each tab and it'll take you straight to that section. So right now I have this available as a digital download. So all you would have to do is just go to my Etsy shop, which I have linked down below, and download it to your device. It's compatible with Apple devices, iOS devices. You can use it on your phone, on your tablet, computer, whatever you want to do, it will work. And when I was looking around for NCE study guides, there just weren't a lot of options, and that made me want to create one so that I can help you guys pass your NCE exam on the first try. And I'm also looking into getting this made into a physical book. So if you are interested in a physical version, let me know down below in the comments, because I'm trying to gauge how much interest there would be for that. And speaking of my new Etsy shop, we are officially a top 25% seller, which is so amazing, y'all. Like, we just opened this shop in October. And to be honest, in October, I only had one listing, and that was the NCE study planner. That was the only thing that I had on there for like weeks. And then eventually I started to add more and more products. I've started to add apparel, so sweatshirts, shirts. I have cups on there, tote bags, all types of things on there now. We have over 130 different listings, including the NCE study guide that we just added. So if you want to support, head over there to my Etsy shop. I have it linked down below, and just have a look around. All of our items are either mental health related, faith-based, or just overall positivity types of products. So if that's something that you're interested in, definitely check us out, and we really appreciate your support. So next major update. I will be hosting the first NCE live study session here on my YouTube channel Sunday the 29th. So that's this upcoming Sunday. And this study session will be open to everybody, so whoever wants to join, come and join us. We will be going through the Rosenthal Purple Book questions 1 through 30. And it's really just gonna serve as a way for us to hold each other accountable. And you can also ask me questions about how I studied and how I passed the exam while we go through each question. And I'll just let you guys put your answers down in the chat, and it'll just be a nice community building activity. And I will be reading the questions out to you guys, but I recommend that you have the purple book handy if possible. I know most of you have already purchased this book because it's like the holy grail of studying for the NCE. But if not, you can purchase it down below. I have the link in my description box as well. And you can also have my NCE study guide alongside you as we go through the questions as well. All right, so now for the school update. I know a lot of you guys are keeping up with my counseling and school journey. So if you don't know, I am an associate licensed counselor, and I have my master's degree in clinical mental health counseling with an emphasis in children and adolescent disorders. I received my master's from Grand Canyon University, and now I am pursuing my PhD in infant and early childhood development with an emphasis on neurodiversity and mental health disorders. I know, very, very long titles, but overall, it's just learning about mental health for little kids. So I am finishing up this term. I only have 2 weeks left of this term, and this will be my 4th term at Fielding, and I have one more term of courses, so I'll have like 3 more classes, and then after that I'll be on to the comprehensive essay and the dissertation. So we are like really moving along, y'all, and I'm so excited. Like, this has been a journey and I've been really enjoying and loving every minute of it. But I'm also ready to hurry up and get to the dissertation phase so I can be done, okay? So we are making our way through. We only have 2 weeks left. I have a paper and 2 presentations that I have to do for my classes that I'm in now. And then I will be finished for this term and have a nice little break before the summer term starts in May. And as for my counseling career, it is going great. So the job that I'm with now, I just absolutely love it. It's a team of all women and we work as independent contractors. So we make our own schedule and we each have our own clients that we work with. So I do telehealth all during the week. So I see like my older kids, teenagers, those ages during the week on telehealth. And then 1 day a week, I drive to the office and that's when I see my little kids. So we do like play therapy with them. It's kind of hard to do telehealth with little kids. If you don't know, it's a struggle. So it makes it a lot easier to see them in person and we can play games and do little activities together when we are in person. But I am loving it. I've been doing this for 8 or 9 months now, and if you've been keeping up with the journey, you know that I started out fresh out of school at a behavioral health hospital, which is basically a psychiatric hospital, and I was working with adults. And it was definitely an experience. I learned a lot. I got a lot of hours, in, but I'm so glad to be able to do what I really wanted to do, which is work with little kids and adolescents. So I've just been really, really enjoying it. If you have any questions about my counseling journey, or if you want any tips, just let me know in the comments and I can make follow-up videos addressing specific topics that you guys might have questions about. I've already made a video about my practicum, about internship, things like that. And so if there's anything else that you guys want me to discuss, then I can definitely do that. Just let me know. But I think that's going to wrap up this update. It's a lot going on, as you guys can probably tell, but all good things. And I'm just so happy and so blessed to be able to do what I do. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up because that helps it spread throughout the algorithm. And also hit that subscribe button and join the clique, join the family if you have not done so already. And I will see you guys in my next video. Actually, I'll see you guys on Sunday for the live study session. All right, bye.